And ladies and gentlemen, we're going to shoot off the fireworks here momentarily, and Daytona, there we go. Comes to an end. Now they get the plunger, the fireworks in the way, and the fireworks, of course, on the track itself at the end. Here they come to the checkered flag. It was on. They lay on the main straightaway, but they all crossed the start finish line. Cleaning up this accident, the over in turn one, and then we got one over in turn two.
I know. I have no.
Fireworks going on now over the track. After the fireworks on the track, Jimmy Johnson won for the 64th time in his career. Well, here's for him coming up first. We'll check in with Alex.
Kevin Harvick, third place finish, and yet another wild one at Daytona to drive away this evening with you, especially for the first lap.
Yeah, you know, we got a good restart there the last time, and we were able to go home side by side, but just, you know, the lane behind us never really formed up. It seemed like that top lane was formed a lot better, and I held him to the edge of the turn too, and then he was able to get a push from behind there. So, still a great day for our Midlife Chevrolet. I thank everybody for last few speedway races. That's been great luck, but Daytona's been a great racetrack for us. To finish third tonight, have the car still in one piece is way better than we did the first.
Kevin Harvick comes home third, Steve Post.
Yeah, Michael Walker's out here in the top 5 minutes. Michael,
I had a ball. Half my crew was in the checker bell to remind me why I do this. What's fun about it? Because when you're doing it, it's so intense. And, you know, heck, me and my teammate got together on pit road, and then he just gave me a heck of a push on that last lap and let me, got me clear of a couple guys. So I'm really thankful for Aaron and Rodney and this whole team, because I crashed and they made the adjustments to the car. Oh, it's right up there. What a great night in Daytona. I love NASCAR. I love being here in Daytona.
Walker's a good push.
Yeah, Clint Boyer was just talking to his boss, Clint, still fourth. Your boss, Michael, first of all, talking about a little incident. What happened out there?
I spun him out.
That's not very good, right? Stick your boss down on pit road.
But he'll be very smart. You know, good night for it. Obviously, didn't need that last caution. I had a hell of a run up through the middle of the 9, and he got wild and shot up through for the lead there, and knocked his up rear down, and I was like, now what's going to happen, you know? And unfortunately, the caution came out. I started on the bottom. I tried to push Harvick. I knew that outside was going to prevail in a short run. It did. But they got much backed up. They got their feet on each other, and they kind of got spread out and gave us on the bottom line, you know, our opportunity to get back going. So top 5, one of these babies, I'll take it any day.
Give us an idea. Take us underneath the helmet and behind the steering wheel. What it's like, knowing all the chaos that's going around, 3 wide, 4 wide in some instances. What is it like as a race car driver to take on?
Well, early when you're watching them do it, it's pretty easy. You're like, man, this guys sure are trying really hard. And then, unfortunately, comes the time you got to get up there and get rid of all that. And then it's like, ah! You know, that's when it gets wild.
Clint Boyer says it all with not really a word. Steve Post.
Yeah, I'm not sure how we're going to transcribe that one for owner, but Tom Stewart, great run here tonight. What more do you need there at the end as far as trying to get the win?
Jimmy just was good at it. Yeah, they just did an awesome job. They had a great race car, but we did too. Our guys at SHR did a great job. That's unlimited fast push off that was fast tonight. So, you know, glad when it's a Coke race that we can run well with Coca-Cola. And, you know, Jimmy was really, really good. We were just a little bit off at him, but we had a really good race car all night. We just kind of took it easy till about 50 to go.